the movement still. A super song for the cause. Feel a load in your brain for the episode. Era just begun. Brother Black, the beat is back. And you don't, I won't. If you're still, I will take 3 jams and hold them. This what I told them. Rock the other side, the sucker lied. Said he was shocking, but never tried it. So I took him away, I never stayed, y'all. He made a jam that gets you slammed back to back in the place where the suckers are born. Whatever it takes to make it hardcore. That's what you buy it for. Pulling your ride, the DJ decides to play it on the radio. The A-side, he gives it a try, never really gives it a try. People request the best on the B-side. Food for the brains, beats for the feet. People on the dance floor never claiming a receipt. Had a good time rock and rolling on the go-round. The rhythm supplied by the superior B-side. They had to twist and turn and shout. Cause, get you ready now. Situation put you in to where you're sweating an hysterical B-side. Request the best to give a test and never giving the rest. Your guess as good as my guess. And while I'm guessing, you're guessing. Yo, listen, this is a DJ to play to give a lesson in his name is Wicked. And the suckers on the right get cause the records to the left and in your search the stores attack the racks with your claws for the rebels without a board. Cause the B-side wins again and again and again. Yo, Black, some of you are all in to make sure the crowd get loud with it on the dance floor. You never knew the crowd was this hype, but you thought we was the type to start a riot. Kicking the thunderstorm with a song while we dare you to come along. Pump the music, pump the sound. Once again we gonna do it like this. While I'm throwing you going, and you know it's time for my man on a mission, so